Hey there! If you're interested in starting your own business and have a passion for social media, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to start your own SMMA. But before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about starting your own business? Let me know in the comments below. So before we start, let's see what is SMMA. SMMA is Social Media Marketing Agency, a type of business that offers social media marketing services to other businesses. In other words, you would be helping businesses grow their online presence through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Step 1. Define your niche. Defining your niche is the first step to starting a successful SMMA. This means identifying the types of businesses you want to work with, as well as the social media platforms you're most familiar with. For example, you may want to specialize in working with small businesses in the beauty industry and focus on Instagram marketing. By defining your niche, you can better focus your efforts and create a more effective marketing strategy. Step 2. Create a business plan. Once you've defined your niche, the next step is to create a business plan. This plan will serve as your roadmap for success and should include details like your business name, target audience, marketing strategy, pricing, and financial projections. Your business plan will help you stay on track and make informed decisions as your business grows. Step 3. Build your team. As your business grows, you'll need to build a team to help you manage your clients and projects. This may include social media managers, content creators, graphic designers, and more. When building your team, look for people who share your passion for social media and who can help you deliver high-quality services to your clients. This is where you'll need to start thinking about the kind of people you want to hire. You don't want someone who's just good at posting cat videos on social media, unless, of course, that's your niche. You want someone who's reliable, creative, and has a good sense of humor. After all, you never know when you'll need to post a meme to save the day. Speaking of memes, did you hear about the social media marketer who went viral? They got the flu. Okay, I know that was a bad joke, but trust me, our tips are much better than our comedy. Step 4. Set up your website and social media accounts. Your website and social media accounts are essential to your online presence and should reflect your brand and the services you offer. Your website should showcase your portfolio and include testimonials from satisfied clients. Your social media accounts should offer valuable content to your followers and be updated regularly. Step 5. Find and pitch clients. Once you have your website and social media accounts set up, it's time to find and pitch clients. You can start by reaching out to businesses in your niche and offering your services. You can also attend networking events and conferences to meet potential clients. When pitching your services, be sure to highlight your expertise and the results you've achieved for other clients. Step 6. Deliver high-quality services. Once you've secured clients, it's essential to deliver high-quality services to keep them satisfied and build your reputation. This means creating engaging and effective social media content, tracking analytics, and adjusting your strategy as needed. It's also essential to communicate regularly with your clients and provide them with updates and reports on their social media performance. Step 7. Scale your business. As your business grows, you may want to consider scaling it to increase your revenue and expand your reach. This may include offering additional services, hiring more staff, or targeting new niches or industries. It's essential to have a growth strategy in place and be prepared to adapt to changes in the market and your clients' needs. And that's a wrap on our step-by-step guide on how to start a social media marketing agency. We hope you found our tips helpful and entertaining. Well, maybe not that joke. Remember to stay creative, keep your sense of humor, and never underestimate the power of a good cat video. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and terrible jokes. Thanks for watching. Bye.